Welcome. All right, so to apply a problem like this, what we need to do is combine our two rational complex fractions. And to do that, what we need to do is make sure we have our denominators exactly the same. So right now I have 2 plus I and 2 minus I. So I need to be able to determine the LCM. And the LCM, or least common multiple, or we could call it the least common denominator, is going to be 2 plus I times 2 minus I. So now, by what I'll do is to get these to be both have the same, I need to multiply by 2 minus I on the top and on the bottom. And what we notice is when multiplying by 2 plus I times 2 minus I, what we're doing is we are multiplying our denominator by its conjugate, which will be a difference of two squares. So then up top, I'll do a little multiplication here. I'll have 4i, and then 2 times negative 2i is a negative 2i squared, all over. Now this is a difference of two squares. Let's go and multiply this out. 2 minus I times 2 plus I. Notice it's the same multiplication product on both sides. So therefore, I'm going to do, if I do FOIL, I notice that my middle terms are going to cancel out. So 2 times 2 is 4. I times I is a negative I squared. But remember, I squared equals negative 1. So it's going to be 4 minus 1, or 4 plus 1, which will be 5. So I have 5 plus, apply distributive property here, and I get 10 plus 5i over 5. Now I can combine the like terms, and remember negative 2i, I squared is negative 1. Negative 1 times 2 is just going to be a positive 2. So I can rewrite this as a positive 2. OK, so now what I have is 9i plus 12 over 5. Now to write this in complex form, remember we need to have it in the form of a plus bi. So I can divide the 5 into both my terms, and then I'll write my real number in front of my imaginary number. So therefore, I have 12 over 5 plus 9i over 5. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That is how you simplify two complex rational expressions. Thanks.